On April 2024, in Union City, New Jersey, police responded to a simple Uber Eats delivery dispute. The food was still there, no one was detained, but within minutes, the situation spiraled into something far more serious.
You alright?
Yo, Pops, come down here.
What happened?
She was supposed to give my Uber Eats. Look, it says delivered. You know how Uber Eats works?
Yeah.
I'll look down the hall for me. She says I need to confirm the Uber Eats on the phone. I don't need to do that. It said my order's here. Enjoy your order.
No, I have to make my report. You tried to attack me, faggot.
I did not try to attack you. You don't gotta say stuff like that.
You tried to attack
Walk in the lobby.
46,
I have someone else coming. They'll come talk to her. Just walk up the stairs over there for now.
I'm at Park City, New Jersey. Some boy just tried to attack me over a meal, over a $50 meal.
How you doing, man?
I am at
Excuse me.
4625 Park Ave, Union City. Yes, doing my job, and somebody just tried to attack me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Jalo Russ. Jahli. My last name is Russ. R-U-S-T.
Ma'am, I'm Officer Marquis. Would you call this, please?
Okay.
What's going on?
What's up? I'm here to do a delivery.
Okay.
The internet's not working. He asked me if he had Wi-Fi. He said no. I walked back outside to connect to the Wi-Fi. I connected to the Wi-Fi. I went back inside. He met me in the hallway. He's trying to attack me.
How you trying to attack you? How?
He's trying to snatch the bag. He's just swinging his hand like this. I don't know what he's doing. I don't know why he's doing that. And I'm walking back down to the room.
What for 197?
I'm already walking back down. I'm walking down.
Are you with the Uber Eats driver?
That's affirmative.
Alright,
Right, I need the police.
I'm the police right here. I'm the police
I
right
need the
here.
police that I caught for this delivery.
I'm right here,
Hello?
Ma'am, I'm the cops right here. I'm the
Okay.
police.
That's fine.
Okay. So what happened to Uber Eats delivery? Can I see the delivery, ma'am? Ma'am.
No, the problem is that you met me in the hallway.
Listen.
You're not.
Listen. Stop talking to me. Talk to me. All right. Can I see
No,
the delivery?
no, bitch.
Let me show
This
them
is what I'm telling you. This is what I'm telling you.
Ma'am.
This is what I'm telling you.
Ma'am, can I see the delivery, please?
No, you cannot. This is what I'm telling you.
I'm trying to figure this out.
Okay, I work for Uber.
Okay.
No, you cannot.
I work for City August Police.
Okay.
All right, I'm trying to figure this out.
Okay.
That's his order, right?
Okay. No, this is not
Did
his
you pay
order.
for it? Okay.
Back up from me.
All right.
Back up from me.
All right.
But I'm letting you know this now. I'll beat you dead out here.
Enough.
Do not play with me.
Enough.
I'll beat you dead out here, ho.
Enough.
Just get out of my face.
Stop talking.
I know, but I don't have to stop talking.
Relax.
It is enough.
Relax.
And I'm not playing with
Listen.
you.
Relax.
I'm not playing with
I'm
you.
trying to figure this out,
This is
okay?
my last time playing with you, okay?
Okay.
Any other time it's gonna be that. Here you go.
This is his order?
Yeah, here you go.
All right.
Do not run up on me, you silly ass
Shut up.
fake pumping with me. I'm not doing it, bitch. I'm
down.
not doing this. Get out
Calm
my
down.
way.
Listen, you have ID on you?
Get out my way.
You have
All
ID
that
on you?
fake faggot.
Listen.
Get out my way.
Hey, ma'am.
Yeah,
197.
Yeah.
All right, be advised. Uber Eats driver gave me his delivery and took off on her bike. She doesn't want to talk to me at all. Dark-skinned female on a bike heading down Millennium Parkway.
Alright, 14. Can you swap over to PD1? You're still on OEM.
At 14, she's heading down towards Max.
Appreciate 4-3 and 4-5. 197 was on OEM. That female just took off on him. On a bicycle going towards 10th Street. You can attempt to make contact.
Roger, it's activating for You are not in trouble right now, but if you keep running, you will be obstructing my investigation and you'll be arrested.
27.
Stop right now. Okay. 4-3, I'm on 5th and Flanagan. She's still refusing to stop.
40, was there an actual assault that occurred, or is this just verbal right now?
We were advised that the party armed herself and threatened the other involved party.
197. The victim's claiming that she had a bike lock in her hand, which she did when I was talking to her. Victim states that she threatened to hit him with it. Never got physical when they got verbal.
Dude, stop! I'm by Duncan now.
45, 197 is staying with that party at Osprey Cove. I'm heading over to the phone to get the threat with you with 43.
Back up from me. Not play with you. Got my face.
4-3. She just attempted to hit me.
Receive. Units backing them up. Step it up.
What? Get out my face. I'm not a restaurant.
4-3. TD Bank.
Right by TD. They're coming up towards that corner.
What's up?
I'm not playing with you. I'm not playing with you. Drop it. Drop it. What is wrong with you? I am not playing with you.
You a person, I'm gonna get your ass.
You better drop that.
No, I'm not.
I am not playing with you.
I don't give a fuck. Bye. 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 Bye.
You are now under arrest.
Bye.
You're not going anywhere.
Bye. 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 Bitch, get out of my
I
way.
am not playing with you.
Get out of my
You
way.
need to drop it.
No, bitch.
Drop
Get out of
it.
my way. Get
These are the headquarters.
out of my way.
Yeah.
Get out of my way. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. Bitch, get out. Bitch, get out of my way.
Close the door. What are you doing?
4-3, what's your exact?
Get the fuck. Look, bitch. Get your ass off of me. What is you doing? Get your ass off of me. Get it off of me.
6. They're inside?
Dude, this is an easy one. Stop. I am not playing with you.
I'm not letting you off of me.
TD Bank, right now.
No, I'm not. Get off of me.
She hit me.
I swear to fuck did, bitch. Yeah, get off of me. Get him off of me. No, get him off of me. Get him off of me.
Get a comfort.
No, get him off of me. Get off of me.
Listen, relax.
Get the fuck off of me.
21, we're gonna clear for one, bro. You want to sit over there?
So what, we just gonna stab you up? Why should I get your name? I'm not gonna stab you out.
I mean, a double lock.
No, ain't no double out. I'm not playing.
Hold on,
No, I'm not listening to nothing.
Yo, Jesus, I got it. Relax. Make sure he's okay. He's bleeding.
No, I'm not listening. Double lock. Both gonna sue you.
Ma'am, what's your name?
We both gonna sue you.
What's your name?
We both gonna sue you.
What is your name? Hey, please.
We both gonna sue you. Yeah, we both gonna sue you. It don't matter to me. Bye.
I get in there. He's like, she hit me. He's like, relax. Toss the bike lock at him, so I tackled her. And he was gushing from his ear.
Oh, she hit him with the bike lock?
Yeah. She cracked him in the head, bro.
No, I wanna stab you the fuck up. I wanna shoot him in his face.
What's your name? I'm also here with the Chicago Police Department. What's
Yeah, my name is Jalo Russ. I'm doing an Uber delivery.
Okay, what
Somebody tried to attack me in the hallway.
What happened, though? That's what we tried.
Nothing happened for nobody to be chasing me down talking about I'm under arrest. Nothing happened.
We were trying to talk to you.
No, he talking about nothing.
Did you feel a bike lock on my partner's head? He's gushing from his...
I don't care.
All right.
It's not a game to me.
Yeah, again,
I don't care.
Sorry,
And
what?
I'm taking every last cent.
As the interaction progressed, the delivery worker became increasingly confrontational, used explicit threats of violence, and refused repeated lawful commands to disengage and back away. At this point, the legal threshold began shifting. Verbal threats combined with aggressive movement can elevate an encounter from a civil dispute into reasonable suspicion of assault or terroristic threats, particularly when those threats are made directly in front of officers and toward identifiable individuals. When the delivery worker abruptly fled the scene on her bicycle while officers were still actively investigating a reported crime, the legal status changed again. Flight alone is not a crime, but fleeing during a lawful investigation after being directed to stop provides officers with reasonable suspicion for obstruction. Once officers ordered her to stop and she continued to flee, that refusal constituted resisting by flight under New Jersey law, authorizing pursuit and detention. The situation escalated further when officers later encountered the delivery worker again and observed her holding an object that witnesses described as a potential weapon. At that moment, officers were no longer addressing a delivery dispute, but a rapidly evolving public safety threat. Commands to drop the object were lawful and necessary under use of force standards designed to prevent imminent harm. When the delivery worker refused commands, advanced toward officers, and physically resisted attempts to detain her, probable cause existed for arrest on multiple counts, including aggravated assault on law enforcement and resisting arrest by force. Once physical resistance began, officers were legally permitted to use proportional force to overcome resistance and effectuate the arrest. The struggle that followed fell squarely within established constitutional standards governing use of force, as officers repeatedly issued verbal commands, attempted control techniques, and acted in response to continued resistance rather than punishment or retaliation. Miranda warnings were not required during the physical arrest phase, as officers were focused on securing the suspect, not conducting custodial interrogation. After the arrest, investigators consolidated statements from witnesses, reviewed the initial hallway confrontation, the threats made in the officer's presence, the flight, and the physical altercation. Based on that totality of circumstances, the delivery worker was charged with aggravated assault on law enforcement, resisting arrest by flight and by force, unlawful possession of weapons, terroristic threats, obstruction, criminal mischief, burglary, and related offenses. Each charge corresponded to a distinct legal transition during the encounter, rather than a single act, illustrating how rapidly civilian police encounters can escalate when lawful commands are ignored and threats or resistance are introduced. Thanks for watching. If you found this legal breakdown informative, like, share, and subscribe. Leave your thoughts in the comments below.